Good morning, student. I am Gopi Kumar Srivastav, and this is my new video on chapter number 2, class 12 of accountancy. In this chapter, we are discussing about the partnership firm. This is very important chapter for every class 12 student. This is the base for the future of commerce. So we have to understand this partnership firm and the treatment or accounting treatment related to partnership firm. First, we have to understand some basic fundamentals of partnership firm. But before fundamental of partnership firm, we are going to discuss about the meaning and the act related to partnership firm. Learning objective according to this chapter is nature of partnership firm, definition or main feature of partnership firm, partnership deed, method of preparing capital account of partners and the fixed capital, fluctuating capital, division of profit among the partner, the profit PL appreciation account, and the past adjustment and the guarantee of minimum profit to a partner. These are the content related to this chapter partnership firm. First, we have to understand about the meaning or definition related to partnership firm. First, I want to tell you about the partnership is an agreement between two or more persons, and this agreement can be written or oral both. In this partnership firm, the partners are agreed to share their profit and losses, such as A and B are two partners and they contributed some capital to the firm. A contributed 1 lakh, B contributed 2 lakh. This is the contribution by the partner and the both agree to start a firm. So this is known as partnership firm and A or B are known as partners. So according to definition of partnership, Section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 define partnership as follows. So let's understand the definition of partnership according to Act 1932. Partnership is the relation between who have agreed to share profit of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. It means that partnership is a relation with the partners, and in this partner not necessary to carry the firm by the all the partner. This is not necessary. It means that if A, B and C are partner or C are contributing only the capital to increase the capacity of a firm and she don't want to work as a partner in a partnership firm but she only contributed the capital, it means that he is also a capital but he is nothing doing in the partnership firm. He has capacity, he has power to conduct management. Okay, B or A are the partner and they run the business, but these three are known as partner. Partners can contribute, partners can participate in the management. So this is the way that the partners can do all the work and the acting for all of them. The main features or essential element of characteristics of partnership. So the main feature of partnership firm or partnership is that one is two or more person. Every partnership need minimum number of person. A number of partners is 2 and the maximum number of partners is 50 according to Company Act 2013. Company Act, Indian Company Act 2013 declared that in a partnership firm or firm, their maximum number of partner must be 50 and the minimum number of partner it must be 2. And this act is according to section 464. So this is the first features of partnership. We have to discuss now the second feature is agreement. Agreement between the partner is very necessary. So this agreement can be oral or written both. This is depend on the partners that they want to orally agreement between the partners and written. So this is the opinion of the partners. Now we are discussing about the existence of business and the profit. Every business, every partners, every partnership firm, there must be a profit motive. So this is the earning motive of a partnership firm. Without earning motive of partnership firm cannot run. Now we are discussing the sharing of profit. If in the agreement not written any ratio between the profit sharing ratio between the partner A, B and C, or A or B, the partner minimum 2, 3, 4, 5, and it should be 50 at the highest number of partners. So in the starting of business, the partner also decided the sharing of profit, how they distributed the profit in the ratio or each equally. So this is the opinion of the partners. Now we are discussing about point number 5, the relationship of principal and agent. This is very important and confusing to the student. Student always confused related to these features, that a partner is a agent for the firm and also he is principal, because a partner bind all the partner. It means that I can give this features with the help of some example, that A, B, C are three partner and A bind B and C in the firm. That means A is a partner and A bind A, B or C, and B and C also can bind A. When A bind B or C, it means A is agent. When B and C bind A in the agreement, bind मतलब क्या बांध के रखना या agreement बना के रखना. So that is principle. Now we are talking about the 6 features business carried on by all or any of acting for all. It means that when A, B, C are three partner, it means that firm is can carry by A only, A and B both, and A and B, C तीनों को द्वारा चलाया जा सकता है या कि कोई एक भी काम कर सकता है. दिस इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू कैरी ऑल द पार्टनर द फर्म. Only the capital contribution by the partners is necessary in a partnership firm. So this is not necessary to work every partner in a firm. No separate existence. This means entity, separate entity. What is the meaning of separate entity? In the previous chapter, not for profit organization, the previous chapter, this is the first chapter of commerce, class 12. I already discussed about not for profit organization is related to the not for profit organization. It means it work for the social motive and it run by its member, and it is also written in the not for profit organization that the member can entry exist in the firm no matter, but never the not for profit organization end or it result it will be continue, बिकॉज कोई पार्टनर आए या कोई पार्टनर जाए या कोई मेंबर आए या जाए उसे कोई नहीं था, इसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. एनपीओ को उसका एक सेपरेट एंटिटी होता था. बट यहाँ पे क्या है, सेपरेट एंटिटी नहीं होता है. जब पार्टनर्स डेट कर जाते हैं, व्हेन द पार्टनर डाई, द पार्टनरशिप एक्ट या पार्टनरशिप एक्ट डिफाइन दैट द पार्टनर्स फर्म कैन बी क्लोज. ओके, without closing the firm, new agreement should be provided, new agreement should be introduced by the remaining partners. Okay, now we are going to talk about the right of partner, but this video is completed. We already discussed the meaning and the definition of partnership, the act, the company act, the Indian partnership act, and the main feature. Must write these features and the meaning. So thank you. In this next video we discuss more about this chapter.